Hi guys, this is Nirmal Patel from Akshar Education, and in this video we are going to learn some of the questions based on perimeter and area of the composite shape. So in this first question they are asking what is the perimeter of the following shape, which is this. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is nothing else but when you keep on adding all the boundaries, what is the measurement? So here I can see there are like so many different sides, but what they have given us is only one dimension, which is 15 centimeter. So let us say in perimeter, you're going to start from some point. Let's say I'm starting from this point and I'm going in this way. Yeah. So I'm going to go all the way through and keep on adding every side. And that is going to be my perimeter. Now, this is my very first side, and this is 15, this is 15, this is 15, because they all are equal. So I can just put it down there. Okay. So that is going to be my 15, very simple. I will keep going that way. So this is also my 15. And this is also the 15. Yeah. So these three sides are quite easy to work out. Now, whenever I'm reaching to this point, I got to understand one thing. This is 15. So here, these, and these together, these horizontal bits will also going to be 15, and they all three are equal. So this is going to be 5. This is also 5, and this is also 5. Also, this vertical part is also equal. As you can see, one line. So this is also going to be 5 and 5. So now I reach here. So this part 5 plus this vertical part 5, this horizontal part 5, and then this is 5 and 5 as well. And then if I add up everything, 15 plus 15, 30, plus 15, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, and 70. So 70 centimeter is going to be my answer, which is matching with answer B. So that is my answer. Question 2. A figure below consists of a square with equilateral triangle attached to sides. If the perimeter of the figure is 15 centimeter, what is the perimeter of the square? So here what they are saying is, we can see there is a square. And as we can understand, square has got all equal sides. So we're just making one line because this length will be same. Also, they are talking about it's an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle has got all three sides equal. So this has got, let's say, one line. So this should be one line as well. This should be one line as well. So here, these are the all equal sides. Now they are saying the perimeter of the figure is 15 centimeter. Now let us say if I want to find out the perimeter, I'm saying like this length is X. So if I'm starting from here, I can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So all the sides will be X because I just consider one side as X. So this is also X, 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 and X. So that perimeter is going to be basically 6 times X. If you add up everything, and that is 15. So your X value is going to be 15 divided by 6. Now we can do the short division to find out the things. That's going to be actually decimal, but not very hard. So if you do that, like you can do 6 2s are 12. So 6 2s are 12. And then you're left with just 3. Now there's nothing there. So because there is nothing there, I can take a decimal point and put down the 0 there. And that 0, I can get it down. So that's going to be 30. Because I have taken the decimal here, I'm going to put down the decimal point there as well. And now I can do like 6 5s are 30. So basically, 15 divided by 6 is going to be nothing else but 2.5. So the value of my one side is 2.5. Now coming back to the square, because they want perimeter of the square. So this is 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. So that is going to be 2.5 multiplied by 4 which is 10 centimeter. So my answer is A. Hi guys, this is Nirmal Patel from Akshar Education, and in this video we'll be doing two word problems based on perimeter and area. The first question quite easy. Let's get it done quickly, guys. An equilateral triangle has a perimeter of 48 centimeter. Determine the length of each side of the triangle in centimeters. So if it is an equilateral triangle, so all the sides are going to be same. Let us say the side length is x, and this is also going to be x. This is also going to be x. Now the perimeter is this length plus this length plus this length. So x plus x plus x, which is going to be 3x. And that perimeter is given, which is 48 centimeter right here. So 3x equal to 48. So 3 times x times goes divided by, so that is 48 divided by 3. And now we can just divide that. That's going to be 16. If you're doing a short division, you can do that as well. 3 1s are 3. And then 1 remainder, 1 8. 18. 3 6 are 18. So x equal to 16. So side length of a triangle is 16. Second question is a little better, but still not like super challenging here, but a little better. A square. So when they're talking about the square, let's draw it so our learning becomes more visible. So I am drawing a square here. A square garden has a perimeter of 64 meter. I don't know the side length. So let us say the side length is x. Then this is also going to be x, x and x, because this is square. All the sides are equal. Now perimeter is 64 meters. Determine the area of the garden is in square meter. Perimeter of this square is given. I got to find out the area of this square. So now first thing is perimeter is x plus x plus x plus x. So together it's going to be 4x, and that perimeter is given 64 meters. So my x is going to be 64 times goes divided by, so divided by 4. So my x value is going to be 16. You can do that through short division as well, yeah? So 16 4s are 64. So my side length is 16 here, side length is 16 here as well. Now they are asking what is the area of the garden. Now area of square is nothing else but length square or side square. So let us say like side square. And what is my side length? 16. So we can do like 16 square or 16 times 16. 16 times 16 is 256. If you know it, great. If you don't know, I got a great trick for you guys. So 16 times 16, you can just simply do like 16 times 10. So 16 tens are 160 plus 16 6 are 96, which is quite easy to do. And then after 160 plus 100 is going to be 260, and then 4 less, which is going to be 256. So that is going to be the area, and you put down the unit that's in meters, so that is meter square. So that is the area of garden, guys.